Hello, welcome. In this video I am going to make you master in mirror formula and lens formula. So this is basically a mirror formula and this is what our lens formula. So mirror formula is 1 by V plus 1 by U equals to 1 by F, and this is what the lens formula, 1 by V minus 1 by U equals to 1 by F. So there is a difference of only one sign. In lens formula it is minus, in mirror formula it is plus, where V is your image distance and U is your object distance and F is your focal length. So V is basically the distance between the image and pole, U is the distance between your object and the pole, and F is the focal length. So remember this basic point. This is important tips for you. Remember this important tip. U will always be negative, as we always keep our object on the left hand side of a mirror or lens. So U will always be negative. Either it is a mirror or it is a lens, it is always going to be negative. And direction for the focal length. So if it is a concave mirror or it is a concave lens, doesn't matter, it's a mirror or a lens, focal length of concave will always be negative. Remember this, very important. And focal length of convex will always be going to be positive. Either it is a mirror or it is a lens, the focal length of convex will always going to be positive. So once you've understood these things, you can easily solve a problem based on this mirror formula and lens formula. Let us consider one case. Suppose our focal length is at a 10 centimeter. Our focal length is 10 centimeter, and suppose the object is placed at 15 centimeter, and else it is a concave, our focal length is going to be negative. So can you guess this comes under which case? So actually this comes under the third case. This actually comes under fourth case, where comes under fourth case, where your object is placed in between center of curvature, and because your center of curvature is going to be at 20 centimeter and focus is going to be at 10 centimeter. So object is placed in between the center of curvature and the focal length. So focus in between center of curvature and focus. So this is going to be a fourth case of a ray diagram. So let's solve this problem. So 1 by V, as we want to find out the value of V, that is what the image distance. So 1 by V plus 1 by minus, see I have considered this image as a minus, so it is minus 15 equals to 1 by F, and F here is going to be minus because it's a concave mirror. So once you try to solve this, here minus comes over here and it is a minus already. So 1 by V is equals to this, it goes to right hand side, it will be plus 1 by 15 minus 1 by 10. As you know that 1 by 15 is a lesser value than the 1 by 10. So actually this overall answer is going to be negative. So first of all keep this in mind, the overall answer is going to be negative because it is a lesser one and it is a greater one. Okay? So now 1 by V is equals to, if you solve this you will get minus 1 by 30, and if you revert it you will get V is equals to minus 30 centimeter, which indicates that V is at the 30 centimeter, that is away from much away from your mirror, and it is definitely, it will be magnified, it is much away, and it is negative. Negative means it is what on the left hand side of a mirror, which is what a real image. So it is a real image, it is inverted image, going to be inverted image, and it's a magnified image. So that's all about in this video. So keep watching. Think.